As you can see, this board uses hub motors, which is why it's so quiet. Another nice thing about hub motors is that you don't have to worry about sand and little rocks and stuff getting into the belts, into the gear system. The thing I normally dislike about hub motors is that there's very little urethane, so the ride is like really uncomfortable. But it's different on this board because there's a thick layer of rubber, like it actually has tires. So the stuff that I dislike about hub motors doesn't really apply here. Kind of strange, but an all-terrain board I feel is probably the best use for hub motors. I've been on this path many times, so I'm riding on tiles right now, and with normal hub motor boards, it usually doesn't feel very good over here at all. Even though these tiles are pretty smooth, you can still feel the cracks and stuff with normal hub motor boards. But on this board, it's different because of the tires.